Today we are going to test the ascorbic acid in the spinach. So this is the fresh spinach. The variety would be different, but we are going to test only use the stems. So the experiment need about 60 grams. So we weigh in 60 grams spinach stems, so which I already cut it as 1 centimeter long from this fresh spinach as 60 grams. So these are accurately weighing 60 grams. As a chemical experiment, we need to protect ourselves as a healthy safety required. Wear goggles and gloves. So we are going to process with 60 grams spinach stems with 50 milliliter distilled water. Distillated water. 50 milliliter. Accurate measured. Put into blender. Switch on. Okay, this is the blend spinach. We are going to use as a filter the extractor. So we just pouring into filter. Because we are going to use this extractor solution into 100 milliliter volumetric flasks. So in this way, we still have extra water can put into it. So in this way, we use extra 20 milliliter in 10 milliliter to go, washed out with any possibility about the breaked spinach into our correct solution. So that means you won't waste any kind of spinach, because we are going to test how much ascorbic acid into it. So still have a 10 milliliter put in. Just wash out. Each time use very little amount of water, but you can wash more times. But that's the rule. We can use spatula and Michelle, can you have a spatula for me, please? more water. Just try to collect as much as we can. In that way, the final result would be accurate. Something. Just collect all the spinach possible. That's 60 grams spinach. Press down a bit. And that's several times water. And washed out a bit. Again, measuring the last bit. The last bit, 10 milliliter. Okay, that's it. This one, leave it. So that's almost every piece bit extraction solution from spinach worked out. Now we're pouring into this extraction solution into volumetric flask. You still have a little space. We use little distilled water, not too much, in case over the mark. So in this way, you just completely collect every piece. The ingredients into the container. Next, we are going to adding water to the mark with 100 milliliter as accurate volumetric volume. Now you can see the foam up, but we won't look at the foam. So only waiting until the bottom line reaches to the mark, and that is the real volume. The next, we are going to make the sample, take a 20 milliliter from this extraction solution in the 100 milliliter volumetric flask. That means this sample going to be using titration scales to accurate, measured, test how much we are going to use potassium iodide to titration with this solution. And finally, we are into calculation. So this is the first part, laboratory work. So we are prepared with this. We are going to use the titration solution. It's 0.003 mole potassium iodide. So we're pouring into this is the way, okay, rather than so until the volume reaches to 0, the line, because it's easy for start as a start point. This one, we can over a bit from the mark. because we have enough space to get extra running into the bottom. So I show you now that liquid filling up this space don't have any bubbles, air bubbles in it. So that's the volume you use would be accurately count into it. At the same time, you can check the volume. Top still have a space. Right. Now it's ready to do the titration. Exactly. Okay, we are going to look at this one. Lots form. So what we are going to do, careful, top up a little more water. Until the water layer reach to the mark. Right, now it's 100 mixed up. Should have a block. This is not standard performance, okay, because this is spinach with water, so I know it's no damage to anything else. Okay. That is solution exactly 200 milliliter. Beautiful color as well. So you can see, right. I just want to show you the volume reading must be accurate. Next, we are going to make samples. The samples we are going to use 20 milliliter. 20 milliliter for each sample. That's one. Two. Beautiful. Three. The reason is we use 3 samples to do the same titration. So that way I leave this spinach out. So that way we can make the sample in the same condition, and that's the result tend to more in the same repeat. Okay. Now after take a 20 milliliter spinach, then we are going to use